Whenever we're working with individuals that are getting ready for Medicare, one of the main decisions is should they enroll in a network Medicare Advantage plan, which is going to either be an HMO or a PPO, or the other option would be to get Medicare as their primary coverage and set up a Medicare supplement as the secondary. One of the reasons a person will decide to go with a Medicare Advantage plan is because the monthly cost, the premium, is usually considerably less, sometimes even a zero premium. Now, one of the things that we encourage people to consider is if they do decide to enroll in a Medicare Advantage plan, that there is significant possibility for a lot of large medical bills if something more serious happens. And one of the most common things that happen, or people are afraid will happen, is a diagnosis of cancer. If you're diagnosed with cancer, there's a lot of things that can happen, which include doctor visits. You got to do some testing to see where the cancer might be in the body. Then you have to come up with a game plan. You're going to possibly do a series of chemotherapy. Sometimes this also requires some type of an operation, and then maybe also a series of radiation treatment, and then more follow-up visits to the doctor. So if you had all of that going on a Medicare Advantage plan, you're going to get a lot of medical bills. So one way to eliminate that risk is to have a Medicare Advantage plan along with a separate private standalone cancer policy that will pay you a lump sum amount of money if you are diagnosed with cancer. Therefore, you can have the Medicare Advantage plan, you can have a low premium, you pay a little extra for a cancer plan, and then if you are treated for cancer, you can eliminate the possibility of a lot of large medical bills because you will have a lump sum payment that will help pay for those bills. So when you're talking to an agent and you're starting Medicare and you are considering a Medicare Advantage plan, you might also look at an individual cancer policy as some added protection, just in case down the road you do need some help in paying those type of bills.